Okay, let's suppose you want to close your business for a few weeks or a few days and you want to let your customers know about that. The other option of doing that is basically by going to clover.com and setting your business hours there. But then again, that one has limitations because you can only close your business for that 1 week, not ahead of time. And you want to kind of convey the message to your customers, just kind of hang in there. We'll be accepting online orders in about a week, or you want to announce a grand opening for your order online page. If those are the cases, then one of the ways to do that would be to create a custom message here on your order online page. So, for example, here's my home page. Everything looks good here. It says order now. You can also change this button saying coming soon. But for now, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I'm just going to change the message on the order online page itself. So, what you would do is you log into the back end of your website, pages, all pages, and then find the order online page. So again, pages, all pages, order online page, press edit, and then write a custom message here. It's pretty straightforward. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to press text here. This is where the code is, the short code. This short code represents your menu, so you don't want to delete this. You want to write above it. Again, you can write whatever you want to write, but in this video, I'm going to just I'm referring to letting your customers know that your order online page is coming soon or will be available in 2 weeks. So, for example, I'm going to say order online coming soon in 2 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. I'm going to press this button here. I'm going to make it, let's say I'm going to make it big font. I'm going to center it. I'm going to make it maroonish color. I'm going to make it bold. So order online coming soon in 2 weeks, or you can say something like updating our online order menu. Stay tuned. You can write whatever you need to write here. But for example, I'm just gonna use this for now. I'm gonna press save and exit, and I'm gonna press update. And once I press update, I'm gonna wait a few seconds for it to update, and I'm gonna go to the actual page of the order online, and I'm gonna refresh the page. Again, refreshing your page, depending on your Windows or MacBook, you just press the refresh button on the URL. Okay, so once you do that, see how it says order online coming soon in 2 weeks. What this will do is it will give your customers an update, so they can anticipate when you are going to go live with that. Because the other workaround is this way. Let me show you the other method. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pull that up as well. So here's the other method. The other method is you go back to the back end of your website, press Clover Orders, Settings, Store Settings, and then scroll here. It says please choose the hours your store is available. You can do it this way as well, but again, this is short term. So it says business hours, and it says please manage your business hours on Clover. So when you turn this on, your business hours will be in correlation with your business hours on the Clover. Oh, excuse me. And then he says here, allow schedule orders. So you can also enable that as well. This is a nice feature to have because it allows customers to schedule their orders. But our main focus for this video is the business hours. So let's go ahead and take a look at some other setting here. So when I say business hours here, what am I referring to? I'm referring to these hours here on Clover. See, it says business hours. So whatever hours you set here will correspond to the hours for your order online page. So if I have this on, what that means is these are my operating hours. So Friday close, it will show closed on that. But since we are doing some things a little bit differently here, we're going to be closed for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. We want to give your customers and notice upfront that, hey, we are getting ready to open, or we're doing some customer innovation. We're going to be online. Our website, our business is open, but we have some limitations here. Some kind of message you want to display to them. You can send that message either on this page. You can display that message on the home page. However you want to do that, you can customize that. So again, your customers can still, look at your menu. Basically, this is what prevents them from ordering, unless you stop them from ordering by putting closed here. But as long as you put this message here, I would say 99% of the customers will see that and they won't order. It will say online ordering coming soon. But in case a few of them slip by and they do order, you just have to call them and let them know, hey, we were actually closed. You ordered something. I'm gonna give you a refund. Just explain to them. But again, this is the best deterrent if you are closed for 2 weeks, 3 weeks out of the year, and you need to tell your customers ahead of time. Or again, the other way is just to put close for every single day. Again, one thing I want to let you know is that if you put close for every single day, the system thinks that you forgot to set your business hours, so it's going to actually keep it open. So what you want to do is, let's say today is Monday, what you want to do is leave Monday open, and let's say you're starting tomorrow, you're closed. So put close for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but leave Monday open for like 30 minutes in the day, maybe like towards midnight. Um, that way the system doesn't think you forgot to set up your business hours, and it will say close for every day, but on Monday it'll say you're open from like, you know, late in the hour. You could put from 3 to 3:30 in the morning or something like that. Some hours where your customers is not expected to order, just to prevent that, okay? Or you can just do it sometime in the morning in case you are there, in case somebody does slip an order by, and it will stop that. Anyhow, this is a way to get around that if you are closed for long term. In the next update, we'll add a feature which you will be able to just completely turn off the online ordering hours so people can't order at all. Okay, thank you for watching this video. There's lots of other videos you can watch as well, so you can learn more about smart online order. Thank you. Have a good day.